Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Piccolo Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the entire tube that you see right here, completely full of scale buildup. We also had to replace the side glass and all these little gaskets that you see right here. This is the group head gasket that basically disintegrated when we remove it. And this is from the tank as well, and all these gaskets are way worn out, so it was a good call to replace all of them. Most of them got disintegrated and it was really hard to remove most of these gaskets, as well as to deep clean everything inside the group head of the machine and some parts of the machine as well. So we replaced all the gaskets. As you can see, the machine is not leaking anywhere except the vacuum release valve, as it's already heated up and ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso, gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind seeds of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, and as you can see, that beautiful color on the top of the espresso. Great extraction. Gonna move my shot over here as I'm gonna drink that, and as you can see, for steam, working excellent, pressurizing great, no leaking anywhere, working perfectly. So there you have it. Pavoni Piccola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.